Unveiling the Secrets of French Bread. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey through the world of words, as we uncover the meaning and usage of the phrases, French bread. Whether you're a foodie, a language learner, or simply curious, you're in for a treat. French bread refers to a type of bread that originated in France, known for its long, thin shape, crispy crust, and soft, airy interior. It's a staple in French cuisine and has become popular worldwide. This bread is also called a baguette, which means stick in French, describing its shape. The key features of French bread include its golden brown crust, chewy texture, and distinctive slashes on top, which allow the bread to expand during baking. These aspects not only add to its visual appeal but also enhance its flavor and texture. In France, French bread is more than just food, it's a part of the culture. Enjoyed throughout the day, it's a symbol of French gastronomy and is often associated with the idea of simplicity and excellence in baking. The phrase, French bread, is used in English to refer to this specific style of bread. It's a compound noun, where French describes the type of bread. This construction is common in English to describe objects associated with certain places or countries. I hope this savory slice of language learning has enriched your understanding of French bread. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the world they bring to us. Until our next linguistic feast, keep exploring and enjoying the flavors of English. Bon appétit and goodbye.